Good morning, Jim Whitehead here. Let's talk about Alex the Parrot. Alex the Parrot, an African gray parrot, had a profound impact on the field of animal cognition and communication. His life and work under the guidance of Dr. Irene Pepperberg provided groundbreaking insights into the cognitive abilities of birds. Alex the Parrot's life and work significantly advanced the understanding of animal intelligence, his ability to learn and use language, understand abstract concepts, and demonstrate emotional and social intelligence, challenged existing beliefs and opened up new avenues for research in animal cognition. Thank you for being here. This is a short. Take a look at my live. Thank you so much.